Now let's look at 30 degrees. So in the 30 degree, my 30-60 triangle, it's still a 30-60-90 triangle, but the 60 degrees is up here, so the long side across from it is now the x-coordinate, and the short side, the height, is now the y-coordinate. So now the coordinates are square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. If I go to the equivalent angle in the second quadrant, which is going to be 5 pi over 6. Notice that if I go around by pi over 6's, this is pi over 6. Then I would have 2 pi over 6, which is pi over 3, which we've already done. It would be up here. And then 3 pi over 6 would be pi over 2, which is here. And 4 pi over 6 would be 2 pi over 3, and we've already done that one. And then 5 pi over 6 would be just 30 degrees from pi down here. And so this would be square root of 3 over 2, 1/2, same numbers, but this time the x is negative. And then we would have 6 pi over 6, which we've already done because that's pi. And then 7 pi over 6 would be right here. This time both coordinates are negative. And let's see, so that was 7 pi over 6. Then we go to 8 pi over 6, which is 4 pi over 3. We've already done that because we did the pi over 3 angles. And then we go to 9 pi over 6, which is 3 pi over 2. We've already done that. It's a quadrantal angle. We've already done that. So then we go to 10 pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 3. We've already done that. And then we get to 11 pi over 6, which is the 30-degree angle here below the x-axis. And those coordinates are going to be positive square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. So then I can go through all of the 6 trig functions. The sine is the y value, the cosine is the x value, and so forth. And if I fill out a table for all of these, for 30 degrees, these are the 6 trig functions that we came up with. For 45 degrees or pi over 4 radians, you've got the 6 trig functions. And for 60 degrees and pi over 3, you've got the 6 trig functions, but you also have them for any multiple of that by what we did with the unit circle. So what you need to be able to do is find those exact values of the trig functions for any of those multiples, and I just did that, but we're going to review that by filling out this blank unit circle.